you playing?
Sesame Street County Cafe.
You need to go see that advanced gamer man downstairs. He has the bomb of games.
What?
Anything you need, Sega, Nintendo, anything, they're all good. I mean, you just gotta go see him.
Okay.
Yeah. I think I have the address somewhere. I don't know. I'll write it down.
What?
Thank you.
All I know he's downstairs. Like, you know, there's a secret building.
Okay, well.
It's down there.
You know what I don't understand about this?
What?
He doesn't give Grover legal tender. He gives him stars.
You need a new game.
I did. What's up the address? What in the bloody name of poop is this?
Who are you?
Coming downstairs to get my games.
Oh, no. Look, I've been trying to get up this here staircase for 7 years.
Oh, stairs boy.
That's what everyone calls me. You see? You see?
You want me to help you?
No, you get back up there.
No, I'm not getting back down there.
No.
Yeah.
No, you see? Nobody comes down here until I get up there. You see? It makes sense, right?
Not that much.
You get back up there until I get up there, too.
No, I refuse. I'm sitting here. I refuse.
I'll drag you up, Michael. You lucky I got carpet burn. No.
Ah.
You really want? I could give you AIDS.
God, AIDS.
Yes. It's in my fingernails.
Don't make me.
That's a cab gun. Stupid.
I could inflict some serious damage on you. Crap.
Break it. Now go away.
I'm not going away till I get my good games.
Back up.
No.
I said go.
No.
That kid's still here? Well, then we'll learn.
Huh?
What are you doing here? This is my staircase, remember? Not today. You get back up those stairs.
I'm not getting back up those stairs.
You get back up.
I'm not getting back up those
You
stairs.
get back up those stairs.
I'm not going to get that many stairs.
Yes, you
Just
are.
take away my... The guy's still there.
Go away. This is my staircase.
Oh, really?
Yes. You might want to leave.
You might want to leave.
What? God.
Finally, some good game. What? Oh, is this the store? Oh, I don't fully understand this.
Welcome, stranger. What are you buying?
Anything that's only $10.
Got a lot of good things on sale, stranger.
Yeah, looks like balls, more combat, and balls. I'm looking in the Sega Genesis department. You have anything good?
Got a lot of good things on sale, stranger.
I think. No, that's no money.
A very good choice indeed.
Yeah.
But no money means no game.
And no game means punch to the face.
Got a lot of good things on sale, stranger. What are you selling? Catch my drift? Just take it. Just take it.
Thanks.
Come back anytime, stranger.
Be sure not to tell my friends.
You're a jerk.
Fresh new game. Kiss my ass, Mr. Okay. Place Looney Tunes. I mean, such a pig.
You like busted bully, you don't need butt sex.
Try to emulate Sonic Spawn. This game's horrible. It's an abomination and I hate it. You know what? I'm gonna give that shopkeeper what he deserves.
What are you buying? Want a banana? Eat the banana. You know you want the banana? What are you buying?
Another time.
Got lots of good things on sale, stranger. Come back another time. I quit.